How to fix NatWest Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, NatWest, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, then over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app NatWest. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of the installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is only to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete App. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. Select the option of Delete App from there. With that, the app will get deleted from your device. Then you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app NatWest Banking. With that, app will appear. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix NatWest Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.